welcome back to our channel. So today I felt like I might as well do a video for the ladies because I haven't in a minute. So today I'm gonna like film like a 5-minute makeup tutorial ish. Not really tutorial because I really don't know what I'm doing when it comes to makeup. Like I'm okay, but I'm not like an expert or nothing like that. But yeah, okay, so Kendall's awake. I was gonna do it while she was sleeping. She's awake. Say hi. No?
Good.
Yep, and she has her daddy's glasses, so he's probably gonna be mad when he sees this video. Alright, so first I'm gonna start with like moisturizer, and this is so weird, but I like this moisturizer. It's the Vino Baby one. You can see that. It's like the daily moisture lotion. And for some reason, this really is good for my skin. Like, it's been making me look glowy, not super oily. So I just put a little bit of this on. And of course, I use this for Kendall as well. And put the rest of this on my body. I don't like using a lot of this because it's super moisturizing. But, oh, it feels so good too. And it smells really good, so your face is gonna smell really good for applying foundation. Alright, next step is primer. I don't know, my voice is shaky. So I use, where is it? It's like the Mary Kay primer. Lately I've been buying like a lot of Mary Kay products, so they're actually pretty good. So this is what I've been using. It's basically running out, but yeah. Let's take a little bit of this stuff. I don't know, my country accent just came out. I'm not even from the country. Alright. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, you can't even really see that, but it just looks really clear and like it's still really moisturizing. And it also just helps to minimize pores and make your skin look really like smooth and even. Yeah. You're gonna do this one day where you wear makeup. Well, if you want to wear makeup. Okay. Strong believer of putting things up like this. Like, I feel like it prevents wrinkles. I don't know if that's true, but someone told me that. Someone told me that, so it must be true. Huh? Don't put those on. Next, I put a second primer on because my skin is super oily, and that primer alone is not gonna like keep me super matte. Well, I don't want to be super matte, but I want to have like a little glow, not too much. So I use I got the travel size, the Milk Hydro Pro Grip Primer. Looks like this. I'm probably gonna have to get the bigger one soon though, because I'm running out. But this stuff is the truth. Like, I love this. It really does grip your foundation. So, yeah. Yeah. And it feels so good when applying. Like, it really does feel hydrating and all that. So, yeah. And this is only for summer. I don't put this much of primer on for winter because my face is gonna be drier. For summer, I want to be a little bit glowy, right? Because glowy is so in. Look at that already. It feels so good. It looks kind of like wet on my face, but it's not wet. Oh, I feel it. I love it. All right, next is eyebrows. So I still use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. I feel so bougie saying that, but I love this stuff. I've been using it since like, since I was 17, I think. I'm not that old, so that's not that long, but I like it so much. Like, it makes my eyebrows look so much better. I mean, right now they don't look that bad though, but I'm actually gonna do these off camera, so like, I'm cool. I like to make my eyebrows look more like natural, I guess. I used to like that little real like Sharpie look or whatever, but now that I'm a mom, it takes less time. So yeah. What do I do next? What do I do next? Face. Duh. So I am using another Mary Kay product. This is the Mary Kay CC cream. They really should sponsor me, but I love their products right now. And it's good for the summer because it's really like lightweight. And I'm sure you guys have heard of BB cream, but CC cream is just like color correcting. So that's all. one of these brushes, whatever. I don't know. It's looking kind of dirty, but don't talk about it. I need to clean it. So I just put a few pumps on there, like maybe, I don't know, that much. And then, oh, this is gonna be so hard to do on camera. And I dab it everywhere, kinda. Oh, this is hard to do when you have a 1-year-old under you. Okay. You see how that automatically looks better? Like, I don't have much acne anymore, but when I did have acne, scarring, this is all you need. And a little bit goes a long way. Almost done. Get this big old forehead. Yeah, I have a big forehead. That's probably where you get it from. And then do this part. This is probably the craziest tutorial I've ever seen. That's why I don't want to say tutorial. I just say 5-minute makeup routine or something. So next I'm going to use Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless Concealer. You can tell though, this basically still looks like my skin. It's the same color. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this to highlight. Yep. You're in the middle of my video.
Say what?
You're in the middle of my video.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm actually doing my makeup.
Yeah, that could be a good
Get out.
background.
No, get out. This is a good background right there.
Hey, mama. How y'all doing?
It's so hard to do. Get out. You're messing it up. It's supposed to be for girls. Huh? That is so hard to do up here.
Kiss, kiss. Oh, no.
She's not even really in it.
What you doing? You want to do this one?
Yeah. It's more of a chit chat.
Oh.
Okay. Wait.
How do we go?
Bye. Okay. So. Bye. He said bye. He said bye. Oh my gosh. I tried to film this while he wasn't home. Okay. So as you can tell, I basically use the same brush for everything. I said I was gonna use a beauty blender, but I didn't. So. Yeah. What? Okay. Next is bronzer. Yeah. I don't. Okay, this is the True Complexion Contour Palette.
Oh.
So she's like, get out. This is the light to medium one, which is like super popular. I got it on Amazon. So I usually use this one. I'm supposed to use the same brush for everything. I'm lazy. And oh, mine is super bronzy. I think I put too much. I probably should have blotted that out. I'm gonna try to fix it. Oh, it's not that bad. It's not that bad, right? Mm-hmm. Yep. Next one, a lot more. Mental, I can't do this with you right here. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. Make sure that one side is more bronze than the other. I don't know. I feel like it is slightly. Gosh, this is so hard to do. The 1-year-old. Okay. I quit. No, I'm just kidding. I think that's okay. It's alright. It's supposed to be 5 minutes. Good thing I didn't time myself, because that wasn't 5 minutes. Okay, next I just use some setting powder. Or I guess this is translucent powder? I don't know. Yeah, translucent. This is by Laura Mercier. Again, try the size because the big one is super expensive, so I brush for this. I don't know. I just like it. So I use this for smile lines. Oh. Okay. Smile lines. And I get really bad smile lines with foundation in general. The lip. And then just in like T-zone area. So this is T-zone. And around my nose. Hold it. This is recording? Okay, it's recording. Can't really see it, but this is definitely powdery. Okay. I think I got everywhere I wanted to. Oh, forgot. Under my eyes too. Because it gets powdery under there too. I mean, oily under there. Yup. Alright. Maybe this wasn't 5 minutes, but this is very little product use. Ugh. You got powder on your forehead. Alright, I had to stop recording for a second, but back to what I was saying. I was just trying to put some powder under my eyes with this brush. This is just the most effective for me. I don't really like to bake, so let's put a little bit there too, I guess. Okay. I hope I didn't put too much bronzer there. You wanna hold this? Hold this. Okay. Thank you. Next, I put on mascara. And this is old, super old. This is the Rimmel London Scandal Eyes. Even the thing came off. But it's okay. I'll try my best to do this on camera. I'm not a viewfinder. Oh, crap. I don't think I'm doing this right. I don't know. You guys just see Kendall. She's trying to imitate me. I guess it's curled. Okay. That's as best as it's gonna get. Alright, thank you for watching this complicated video. But yeah, make sure you subscribe. I might do one where I make Kendall look like me for a day. I don't know. But that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Smile. Say cheese. Cheese. Gosh, to chat. Okay, wait. Can I say cheese? You say cheese again? Cheese.